Quick review word contrasts for a and o, like hat, hot, lack, lock, sack, sock, sang, song, cap, cop, add, odd, rack, rock, tap, top. Grace, can you read word pairs for practice?
Yep. Make sure the two words in each pair are pronounced with different vowel sounds. Hot's pan, man's job, top answer, got back, bad dog, back pocket.
Okay. He gives us an advice. You can also read it.
Okay. During my drive to and from work, I always listen to audiobooks. The speaker's voice is usually clear and not sloppy like the speech I sometimes hear on the street. Listen closely to the accent of the speaker and try to imitate it. I play back certain parts over and over again. The more I do this, the better my accent gets.
Okay, I will give an instruction in Arabic voice, so I'm sorry for it. Okay. بصوا يا جماعة، هنا في النصيحة دي هو بيقول يعني من خلال ان انت لما تكون بتدرس من حد وتحاول تستمع ليه في الفيديو، حاول ان انت تقلده بنفس الطريقة اللي نطق بيها اكتر من مرة، بحيث ده هيتكرر معاك اكتر من مرة وهيوصلك لنتيجة كويسة جدا ان انت تحصل ولو جزء بسيط من الاكسنت اللي عند الشخص اللي بيتكلم ده. يعني مثلا على سبيل المثال احنا بنسمع لجريس دلوقتي وهي بتتكلم في يعني as British accent, so we try hard to imitate its speech او her speech. يعني بنحاول ان احنا نقلد النطق بتاعها بحيث ان احنا نحاول ان احنا ننمي النطق عندنا. طبعا مش هتكون انت بتستمع فقط وعاوز تتكلم كويس او ان انت عاوز تحسن من النطق بتاعك وانت ما بتتكلمش اصلا، فدي هيبقى فيها صعوبة كبيرة جدا عليك عشان تنمي المهارة بتاعتك. انت بتنمي الاستماع، ولكن في التحدث لازما هنا بيدي النصيحة بيقول لازم تقلد الشخص اللي بيتكلم. تمام.
The IBA International Phonetic Alphabet symbol for the stressed vowel is A, and for the unstressed vowel it is O. They are basically the same sound throughout the spoke, though will be used for both. For further study of this reduced neutral sound, refer to chapter 5, which deals with syllable stress and reduced vowels.
Okay. Okay, try common spelling patterns for like but, fun, summer. Okay.
But, fun, summer, drunk, love, done, come, son, cousin, country, enough.
Perfect.
Okay.
Okay. For the next page, Grace, can you share word pairs for practice?
Okay. Young son, jump up, fun in the sun, another subject, wonderful mother, under the rug, number one, undercover, enough money, Sunday brunch.
Okay, wait to take someone of the audience. Okay, practice sentences. Your younger brother doesn't trust us. Number two, what country does he come from? Number three, I had another fun summer in London. Number four, I don't have much stuff in the trunk of my truck. Number five, I love the sunny summer months. Is that okay, Grace?
Yep, that's fine.
Okay. Quick review for word contrast for O and A. Can you read it?
Okay.
Okay, try it.
Don, shoot, shot, pond, good, got, look, luck, none, rubber, dull.
Okay,
Yeah.
for number 6 and 7, Grace, try it again.
None. No, sorry, that's wrong. None.
Okay, for 7.
Rubber.
Okay, that's well. Okay, for word pairs for practice, Grace, you can read it.
Make sure the 2 words in each pair are pronounced with different vowel sounds. Come on, got lucky, not enough, cost much, fun job, stop running, jump on, gunshot.
Okay, that's so easy. Okay, for wa, for the sound wa, as in so, courage or carriage is the first of human qualities because it's the quality which guarantees all the others. Is that quite good?
Okay. Yeah, you know when you say which, not which.
Okay.
Like E, there's no E, there's just it. Like if you want to say it like in a British accent, just say which.
Okay.
Like simple.
Okay. For the next page, Mona. Mona, please try common spelling patterns for O or something like that. For AW, AU, AL. يعني قولي الأمثلة بتاعتها.
كلام قوي يعني بس هحاول.
تمام، حاولي برضك، مش مهم، احنا بنتدرب برضو كلنا.
تمام. So, low, awful, أو awful,
Awful.
awesome, author,
Yeah.
upload,
Yeah.
audition, small, walk, tall, always, boat, thought, boat, daughter أو daughter.
Yeah.
Grace is smiling now. Okay.
عايزة British صح؟
Yeah.
Coat, gun, off, long.
Okay. What?
Perfect.
Okay. Grace, share word pairs for practice.
Okay. Pause in the hall, awful thoughts, water the lawn, talk until dawn, autumn in Austria, walk the dog, small talk, already exhausted, tall wall, caught the ball.
Okay. For practice sentences, the audience applauded even though the talk was awful. Number 2, his small daughter thought that Santa Claus would come in August. I saw your mother-in-law in the mall. Okay. Number 4, he bought an automobile at the auction last fall. Number 5, this sauce is awesome. Paula, okay? Is it okay, Grace?
It's actually Paula.
Paula?
Yeah.
Okay. You can continue from quick review.
Make sure you don't pronounce these pairs of words the same. Cut, caught, hull, haul, done, dawn, dug, dog, but, bought, sung, song, cuff, cough, flood, flawed.
Okay, that's very good. Word pairs for practice, Mona.
Make sure the two words in each pair are pronounced with different vowel sounds. أنا مش شايفة اللي موجود ده.
Another dog. Wait.
Another dog. Boat, lunch, long mouth, coffee cup, much talk, small club.
Okay. Here is O sound, as in boat. Okay. No bird soars too high if he soars with his own wings. Okay, Greece, common spelling patterns for O.
No, don't, home, only, road, coat, boat, own, slow, window, though, although.
Okay. Word pairs for practice: phone home, own a home, almost over, open road, drove slowly, don't smoke, low profile, slow motion or slow motion, old poem, golden bowl.
Yep.
Okay. Mona?
Okay, practice sentence?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Practice sentence. We both hope it's going to snow. Oh no, don't open the window, it's cold. Do you want to go
bowling?
bowling or roller skating?
Yes.
I choose a bowl.
I chose. Or
I
chose.
Yeah.
I chose.
I chose a bowl of soup, potatoes, roast beef, and a soda. I don't know if Jane smokes.
Joan
smokes.
Yeah, Joan, yeah.
Okay, Grace?
Yep.
Quick review.
Yep. Make sure you don't pronounce these pairs of words the same. Please note that, what is that, A?
O.
I don't know what they are.
Okay.
Sounds almost the same and therefore are both listed in the first column. Bought, boat. Law, low. Clause, close. Odd, owed. Want, won't. Court, coat. Walk, woke. Not, note. Got, goat. Non, known.
اوكي.
Yeah.
ده كان الفرق ما بين ال O و O.
Make sure the two words in each pair are pronounced with different vowel sounds. Old law, not home, those dogs, odd boat, walk slowly, only daughter.
Okay. For oo as in good. Oo. Short oo. Without words, without writing, and without books, there would be in history, there could
No
be
history.
What?
No history.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
No, it's fine.
Okay. There would be no history, there could be no concept of humanity. Okay. Mona, can you read common spelling patterns for U? Short
Okay.
U. Okay.
Good, look, childhood, understood, push, full, pull, sure, would, could, should.
Good book, took a look, good looking, full cooked, shook his foot, sugar cookie, push and pull over, wooden hook, good childhood.
Okay, Grace.
تمام.
Yeah.
For number
Practice
2 or
sentences.
3. I think
2 or
you have
3.
tried to correct something.
I don't know. Took a look and good looking. I don't know if he did anything wrong. I didn't really notice anything that was wrong.
Okay. So practice sentences.
Okay. Would you help me look for my book? The sugar cookies taste good. The butcher is a good cook. He would read the book if he could. Butch visited his old neighborhood in Brooklyn.
Okay. Okay, finally, we just have 2 minutes. Pleased to meet you all today, and I hope that the lecture we all get benefit from and try to improve our pronunciation and speaking. So, with best wishes, goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.